Attention, attention! Go buy some merch on downtimelost.com. Check out our sweet merch. Please go support your boy. Alright, back to the regular scheduled event.
Good morning, guys. My name's Curtis. Welcome to the channel. We're out here on Bulldog Canyon with a couple buddies from work, and we're gonna go rip around. So let's get to it.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Open the door.
It smells like the 80s over here.
Oh, you fucked it up.
Oh, damn. Oh my god, there's a gap.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to take this off when I get home and do something about it.
Yeah, that's not fun.
Stupid. I have a Dremel.
Yeah, you got a door that shuts now too.
Definitely.
that the skid plate?
I hope fucking so.
Damage spots that I'll show you guys. Come around to this side. We definitely chewed up the wheel, so that's not fun, but yeah, oh well. And then we bent this side of the bed back. We're just gonna bend that right back, and it'll look perfect. And yeah, it was fun out there. Please, guys, I have some merch releasing. Go buy some merch. It's super sick. I'll throw some shots of the merch up here. My girl did awesome job at making some cool shirts and hats and stuff, so I hope you guys really like that. I have a 15% off sale going on right now, so check that out. Throw some comments down low. Talk some shit, please. Helps the algorithm, you know. Just send some dots or something. I don't know. Like just send something down there. That'd help out. But love you guys. Take it easy. Peace out.